Hello everyone, my name is Dylan. I am the sales manager from Mercedes-Benz of Huntington. Today I wanted to take a little bit of time to talk to you about our CPO program and what exactly our vehicles go through. To help me with that, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to our service department.
Thanks, Dylan. My name is Patrick. I'm the assistant service manager here at Mercedes-Benz of Huntington. Now, these cars go through a 164-point check when they become certified pre-owned. I have my technician Charlie here who's going to walk you guys through some of the points that we check before these cars become certified pre-owned.
Thank you, Patrick. So the first thing we check here at Mercedes-Benz for a certified pre-owned inspection would be to completely walk around the body of the vehicle and make sure that there's no physical damage to the vehicle. Wheels for cosmetic damage, bends. We check mechanically, we make sure there's nothing leaking. Make sure that the coolant and other fluid levels are topped off. And we do check brakes, we check tires, we scan the car, make sure that there's no fault codes, and then we pretty much check every single function of the car, like AC, every switch inside. We check for play in the suspension. Most of the time, I would say like 90% of the time, we do a wheel alignment on the cars when we certify them. So you take the tray down, you check to make sure that there is no leaks from like in the front area. As part of the certification process, we only use Mercedes-Benz parts from the dealership.
Thank you to our service department for explaining the process that these vehicles go through. A little bit of information on the sales side. Please keep in mind that these certified pre-owned vehicles, they are available 6 model years back. On top of that, you also get a 1-year unlimited mile warranty. And more importantly, you have special financing rates available. Come visit us at Mercedes-Benz of Huntington to find out more.